the renovation industry, a booming, ever-changing and expanding space. For your average customer, it can be overwhelming, confusing, and hard to navigate at times. Luckily, there's the Blue Space. With thousands of curated products at your fingertips, starting a home renovation project that you will fall in love with is just a few clicks away. We are Australia's leading online home renovation reseller, and it's our mission to make renovation projects as simple as flushing the toilet.
7 years ago, I remember presenting to a room full of bricks and mortar plumbing merchants and being told the internet would go away. I had to call BS on that. I knew there was a better way. I could see consumers changing, I could see their move to e-commerce, and I had to do something about it. After our time together at GWA, Les and I got together and we decided to do something different. We knew we were going against the industry status quo, and we knew we'd have to pull a lot of suppliers along with us.
There was a misconception at the time that online was purely about being cheaper, but we truly believed it was so much more than that. Being online only, we know we are not for everyone, and we don't try to be. It's a big market. We just want to build the biggest and most kick-ass online retailer brand in this space. After having spent years in corporates, listening to customers and seeing the research, we knew the customer buying frustrations. They don't know who to trust, they're overwhelmed by choice, they don't know what looks good together, and they want to purchase all of their products in one place.
We could see that brands were not being represented well online. Consumers were forgetting about why they should buy quality brand name products and not just products from the same factory.
We don't have your standard bricks and mortar retail business model. We are completely different. Instead of traditional retail infrastructure, we invest in our tech, our logistics, and our people.
Our website is our showroom, with over 4.5 million people walking through the online door each year. As the marketing specialist, we are constantly working on the website to improve user experience and show our brand name products in the best possible way. Our team take care of a range of duties. Just ask Bill.
Oh yeah, the marketing team does it all. We run the social media, write the blog posts, do email marketing. We do the Google Analytics. We're also running a conference. We're basically the backbone of this company.
We know that our suppliers are looking for the right tools to reach their consumers. We've created an avenue to communicate and influence customer decisions, as well as providing access to the fastest growing online channel to give the brands a voice and help gain market share.
Here at the Blue Space, we understand that people don't need unlimited choice. That's why our team of experts look at the data and curate an offer that matches what our customers want. We promote leading brands, and our product ranges are created to make renovation choices easy. Each category has a dedicated specialist in the field, and we're training up the next generation of experts to continue the growth. It doesn't matter where you live or if you want to work from the office or home, we hire the right people for the right job.
It never gets old hearing a surprise response when customers call and the phone is answered by the same person they've been chatting to on the website. We have contact options on all platforms, and all of our CX staff are product experts. We have a saying in the office that we love Karens. We do our best to go above and beyond for all of our customers and to make sure they feel confident in the advice they receive from our team and in making their purchase decisions. I love the support our team gives, not only to our customers but to each other. We have flexible work options and even have pet-friendly office spaces.
The Blue Space originally started in a 4x4 bedroom. We now have over 3,000 square metres and will soon be expanding into 3 other states. Being an online-only business, our logistics operations need to be the best. We have a great team, we maintain a high level of accuracy in the warehouse, and the boys are happy to do the heavy lifting, so you don't have to. All our products for customer orders are received into our warehouse and delivered locally with our fast-growing fleet of trucks. We make it easy for our suppliers with single purchase orders and deliveries. We also like to do our bit to help the environment and are making significant investments into this space.
We've continued to grow thanks to our customers, staff, partners and suppliers. And this is only just the beginning.
One day, we hope customers will refer to their renovation as a Blue Space room.
And that's the dream, to be your go-to partner in total home renovations from start to finish.